Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to delete your Instagram account permanently. Actually sometimes we create Instagram account for communicating with our friends, family member or lots of people. But sometimes we need to delete the Instagram account because we faces some problems. So in this video I will show you the easiest process for deleting your Instagram account permanently. So without wasting any time, let's begin. First of all, open Instagram account. Then here you click on your profile picture at the bottom right corner. After that, click on three lines at the top right corner. Then here you click on settings option. After that, click on help option. Then here you click on help center option. After that, here you click on three lines at the top right corner. Then here you click on manage your account option. After that, click on delete your account option. Then if you delete your account permanently, then here you don't click delete your Instagram account option. Here you click on temporarily deactivate your Instagram account option. After that, just scroll down. Then here you click on delete your Instagram account. After that, here you click on Android app help button. Then here you click on mobile browser help option. After that, just scroll down. Then here you click on delete your account. After that, here you choose a reason to why do you want to delete your Instagram account. Here you can choose any one reason for which you want to delete your account. So here I am select want to remove something. After that, just scroll down. After that, here you enter your Instagram password. So let me do it. Then just scroll down. And then here you can see that some information in this section says that your account will be deleted after 30 days and all your information will be hidden until it is deleted. And in this section says that you will not be visible on Instagram between now and the next 30 days. If you changes your mind, then you can log in again before the deletion date. So if you delete your Instagram account permanently, then here you click on delete username button. After that, click on OK option. Then again click on OK. Now after 30 days my account will be deleted permanently. So by this process you can delete your Instagram account permanently. Okay guys, if you found this video helpful, so please leave a like.